Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a very special day. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create amazing websites with Google AI Studio. Now, after the recent announcements of in Google I/O, I mean it was amazing the kind of work they have done in terms of refining the models. So I already worked with the Google Omni. You have seen in my last video where I've generated amazing avatar content where you can put yourself anywhere. So if you haven't watched that video, you are very welcome to watch it. It's a really good very short course on how you can do it yourself. And today I'm going to talk about how you can create amazing websites. Basically, you can sell this website for thousands of dollars, and these websites are such easy to create. Before the website development process, there was an entire team, so many functions, so many design parameters. Even if you don't want to deploy the website yourself, you can give this to a developer and you can get it done and deployed in minutes. In fact, that is also solved using AI if you have a little bit of know-how what to look into, and I'll make some videos on that as well, how to be your own developer. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can ideate, how you can design it, and how you can create it. So ideate, design, and create. First, we'll talk about ideation, how you can come up with the entire idea. We're gonna bounce back a couple of options. Let's see what we can think of. Then we're going to talk about functionality as well, how the pages are, the content of the pages. We're going to talk about the design of the page, how all the elements come into picture, the themes we are going to use. We're going to talk about how you finally implement this, how you can start off with the entire process. We're going to create a knowledge file basically. We're going to feed it to the AI, and we're going to see what the AI actually spills out, right? And obviously we're also going to talk about how to deploy them as well. So it's not just a project, you can deploy it as well, right? So without further ado, let's begin this session. So first we're going to look into Google AI Studio. So we're going to open this up. Next we're going to go to 21st.dev. Now this is again a very good a great website to generate any sort of content. If you want some inspiration, the kind of website design, like for example, look at this. So you want such effects on your website, you can get this. If you want, like, let's say this sort of array, you can look into this. There are a ton of options. There are a ton of things. Whatever you want to implement in your web app, a website, or an app, you can get through this. This is a very free and it's an open source sort of a platform. You can copy anything. These two websites are enough for you to create amazing websites. Now, let me quickly first bring out the agenda that we discussed. So I've noted them down. So let's say the website content. Now, let's say I want to make a AI mastery course website. So this is something which I was thinking of. Maybe I'll do in the future as well. But let's say I want to create this website of selling my course, or maybe promoting my course maybe. So what sort of functionality would we want in the website? Let's say it would be a good scroll one pager website. So this is one of the elements which I think we will look into. Um, what else? What else do we want on the website for the functionality? A form fill. Okay, let's keep it that way. We're gonna what? Okay, single page, obviously, single page. Right. Now let's talk about the design elements. So the kind of elements that we want. Now, how do you get inspiration? Now you can think of this as a framework, but how do you get inspiration? Like I said, so obviously to get inspiration, you can go to 21st.dev. It's an amazing website. Like I said, you can go through various sections. We all know the structures of a website usually are. There is a hero section, right? On top, there's a banner, then there's a body, and then there's a footer. Now, there's a very common section. This is something which we would follow anyways. But then it's about how you want to design this website. Like, for example, uh, this looks great. Like, this sort of an animation is amazing if you want to put a video or image here. So this is really good. This was something which I like. Very simple, but yet very effective. If you want to pop your words here, so you can do that as well. There are a lot of shaders as well you can use, right? Let me see. Let me look into, let's say, hero sections, right? So they are these hero sections. Okay, this looks good. This is nice, unique. This is amazing. This is also good. See how minimal design. So let's choose a few. Let's choose a couple. This is good. It also looks good. Okay, let me just choose a couple. Let's say this is good. This is a scrolling effect. So I'll just copy this, right? And I'll copy this and I'll paste it on a MD file. Now this is, you can paste it in anywhere. You can paste it on a notepad as well, but I'm pasting it here. I'll paste a couple more here. Let me just look for a couple of more designs. Oh, this is nice. This is nice for this typewriter effect is good. This also I like a lot. So let me copy this as well. Copy it. I'll paste this as well in the same file. This is nice, cute. It's also good. Okay, so let's choose a couple more. Let's see what else. What else is there? Featured. There are some really good ones. Okay, this is nice. The grid effect. And this is nice. This, you can use this as a footer, or maybe a sign up process at the end. Oh, this is great. You see how images is popping up with every scroll on the mouse. What to choose? It's nice. This is nice, simple, elegant. Let's copy this as well. Let's copy, paste this. Okay, so I have pasted three odd elements. I have chosen three things. I'll just quickly save this file. So I'll save it as a MD file. I'll just save it here. Just call it website elements. So we have this website elements.md made. Now let's make a document file. So now what I'll do is I'll feed some generic information. So I've already made, but you can see I have used ChatGPT. So what I wrote here, give me a write up of a course website under my own brand with dummy content. So I just wanted to create a simple course content thing, right? I copied this, I pasted it into a document file, I downloaded this as a PDF. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to go to Playground. I'm going to write here, build me a responsive one-pager website with the hero section and other sections based off the PDF content, and the design inspiration from the MD file. We'll use the MD file here attached. Use the images attached as the main superhero figure for the brand. Now I'll just upload my files. Great, and I'll add an image as well. Now for the image, I'll choose this superhero image that I made. Now this again I used AI to make this image, a simple image using my face. I wanted to see how this functions with this image as well. So I have added this image just as an idea of what I want to show as a superhero. And what else? I think everything we have covered. Let's quickly paste this and let's see what it gives us. Now as you can see, it gives some sort of design previews as well. Like you can choose from various designs. Now you can either do this or you can skip it. So for the time being, though I like a few, but let us skip this. So we'll not do this for now. For this project, you can choose obviously if you want to pick up inspiration from any of those templates. So as you can see, it has done its work. It has come up with a really good website. Let us go through the website. So it has used the default image as a logo. You can see it has used the element that I provided it with, so it's good. It has used the superhero like this, a mascot, the image attached. Okay, you can see this effect. Okay, it has used the other effect as well, but there's a little bit of an issue here. There's a gap here, so we'll look into this. uh, Great. So again, see, you can see it created these drop downs. What will be the content? It has already done quite a lot of additions. You have to edit all these things obviously according to your needs. Let's create this section as well. Testimonial, nice, but there are only 3 testimonial. I want something better with this testimonial thing. Great. It has also given a nice comparative chart, which also I provided, and obviously it provided a CTA as well, right? So this is nice. This is good to start. Now let me do a bit of changes. Now, for example, you see the work it has done, whatever it has created is written on the left hand side. uh, Now let us do couple of changes to this website, like for example the testimonial section as well, right? And this gap, will fix this gap as well. And then there's a testimonial section. So what let us do, let us search for some testimonial features here, if there are any good ones. Let's see, testimonial. Okay, so this one looks nice. So let's add this to the testimonial section. So let me quickly copy this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one single prompt. I don't want to give prompt after prompt and it keeps making changes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it all the changes at once. So I'm again going to go to my MD file. I'm going to create a new MD file. So I'm going to paste this. I'm going to call this the testimonial section prompt. Anyway, so I'll call this testimonial section prompt. What I'll do is I'll copy this as well. I'll copy this and I'll copy this and paste it in a section here. And I'm going to write my prompt here as well. So make these changes to these sections from the attached MD file. So testimonial section prompt, this is one that will change. Let's change this logo as well. Okay, so I thought let me use Google Flow with my avatar to create a logo. I'll just use Nano Banana Pro. I'll see 4 samples, see which of them look good. Great, let's see what is created. Okay, this is nice. I like this. So let me download this. Now since it's a logo, a small file is also good enough. So here let me upload this as well. And so testimonial section, what else we need to change? There's a gap before activate your potential. Well, let me remove this section only. So delete the section between our course module and okay, so I'll put the previous between what you learned and our course module. Changes from MD5 section prompt change. Okay, what else? Let me also make some other changes. Why choose us? Let me change this. Why choose us section prompt. Now this, let me look into flow. Let me look into 21st.dev and see what else I can do. This scroll animation is good. I want to use this somewhere. Let me copy this prompt. Let me write scroll animation as well. Scroll animation. Let me use this scroll animation and upload this. Scroll animation. Okay, so I've added the scroll animation prompt. This, I need to add an image here. So let me quickly generate image 6:9. Now let me see, 4:3 image. Let me create using my avatar, and also, sorry, not my avatar, I'll use my logo here. I'll use this logo, add to prompt, create the hero image using the logo attached and the text below. Attached and the text below. Now Pro 4 and so yeah, I gave it a simple information about a bit about the company, and also gave it my logo as well. I wanted to create a poster, a simple poster to put in this scroll animation thing. Okay, so for the why choosers option, I think this is nice. This is a good thing. I think this looks great. I think so. I'm going to use this in the why choosers section. So let me copy this prompt quickly, and I will add this to the MD file as well. So this would go under so as you can see, I have added all these things. I'll just make it more clear, the MD file. So as you can see, these are vibe coding prompts. Why choose section is also there. Also the scroll animation prompt, right? Scroll animation. So this looks good. I will. So this is the. So this is the updated. These are the changes I want to make to this, right? So these are I have added everything. I'll now send it and see how this turns up. So the changes have been implemented. Let's see what this has come up with. I've given it a couple of changes. I don't know if it has done properly or not. Let's see. Okay, this was the usual. I did not give any changes to this. Oh, this was that scroll thing. See, this is so good. You see this like parallax sort of an effect of zooming in as well. Okay, this is nice. This is the old stuff only. You see this? This is so good. So it has done absolutely an amazing job. So good, so good. Okay, let's see. This is the testimonial section again. Now remember, this is all using free tools. This is all just free from 21st.dev all free materials from there. You can get a lot of stuff, a lot of inspiration. Again, so there are no changes. I have not given any changes in this area, but again, you can see this is so good. This is like how modern websites are now, how they look like. So you can get this done so easily. And so yeah, now when it comes to publishing this, you can actually share this. Obviously, you can share this with anyone. What you can do, you can also publish this. Now what I mean by publish is that you can have a public URL. So anyone with that URL will be able to visit this website. Just have to add your support ID, and you can just click on publish, and this app will be published under your Google Cloud project, and it will be sent out across the web, and you can use this to share it with anyone, your potential leads, your clients, or even your portfolio. So you can see it has given me a public URL, this URL. Now I can share this with anyone to share my website. Basically, it's like a website, and you can now, obviously this website is not structured, but for sharing projects across to your teams or across to your clients to show them a demo of the website, this is really good. Now, if let's say your client has approved this, right, and then you can use this to convert it into any URL or send it into any URL. So what you can also do is you can go to the code section, and you'll see this assets right on the left hand side, this file explorer thing, right? Let me blow it up. Yeah, so you can see all this folders and files and stuff. This, you can also upload the entire directory into the FTP server or into the root of your website, and this will also give you a direct access to the website itself. Or you can also use this URL to send across to get approvals. Now maybe there are some changes the clients want, right? Or maybe some suggestions might be coming in from others in your team or your client's team, right? And you can work around this and make those changes in this, right? So yeah, that's about it, how to create websites. And this is a really good tool. This is really good for making mock-ups, making prototypes. And this is not just about websites. You can make apps as well using this. And maybe in the future I'll make a video on this. If you really want to watch a video of how to make an app through Google AI Studio, do write in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, bye bye.